In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Sway for creating engaging presentations, even if you only have 5 minutes to spare. Let's jump right in and explore how you can create dynamic and visually appealing presentations with ease. First, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser and type Microsoft Sway into the search bar. This should lead you to the official Microsoft Sway platform where all the magic happens. Once there, you'll see a Sign In button prominently displayed. Click on this to proceed. If you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you'll likely be signed in automatically. If not, no worries. Simply click on Create One, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address, create a password, and provide some additional information to set up your new Microsoft account. With your account ready, you're now set to dive into Sway. Look for a button or option labeled Create New, which allows you to start fresh with a blank canvas. Alternatively, you can choose a ready-made template from the home page, or even begin by importing content from an existing document. Now it's time to get acquainted with the storyline, which is the backbone of your Sway presentation. This is where you'll organize and add your content using what's known as content cards. To start, click on the Title Your Sway placeholder and type in your presentation's name. Consider setting the stage for your topic by adding a background image that complements your presentation's theme. To enrich your Sway, click the plus icon you'll find at the bottom of a card. This action lets you add new content, and there's quite a variety to choose from. Consider incorporating different card types like heading, text, image, video, and groups to fully enhance and diversify your presentation. Once you have your content in place, it's time to focus on design. Head over to the Design tab where you'll find options for selecting the layout of your presentation. You can choose from vertical, horizontal, or even a slideshow format, depending on the look and feel you're aiming for. If you're feeling adventurous or unsure which design might suit your content best, hitting the Remix button allows Sway to surprise you with a random design suggestion. Lastly, once you're happy with your creation, it's time to share it with others. Simply click the Share button located in the top right corner. You can easily generate a shareable link, create a visual link complete with a thumbnail, or even embed the presentation on a website. Don't forget, you can control the sharing permissions, deciding whether people can simply view your Sway or also have the ability to edit it. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to create presentations using Microsoft Sway. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.